Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot email connection in Freshsales. Now, what you first want to do is actually just come to the top right, click on your profile icon, click on personal settings. And then if you go to connect email and you see this one connected, okay, and if you see the status here as connected for both outgoing and incoming, then it works. And if you're using a personal email, you can just come here at the top right, click on this gear cog to access settings, and click here on see all settings, okay, and then here under forwarding and pop/IMAP, you see here IMAP access, it doesn't show as disabled, then you're perfectly fine. Unless it's an organizational account, then your IT head will need to go ahead and go to the admin panel and make sure they toggle on IMAP, okay? Then it will work. But if you're using any external domain, what you do is you just come here on the left-hand panel, click on admin settings, and then you click here on channels, click on email domains, and then here you'll see the domain you had connected. But if you had not added these DNS records in your panel right here, so here's our panel, I'll come here, click on email portfolio, and here I have my different domains, right? So I'll go to that domain specifically. I'll now go ahead and click on it, and then let's go to the DNS section. What you need to do is you need to add these records. So here, CNAME, right? So you come here, choose CNAME. The name will be right there. The host, go ahead and copy that. Host name points to the value. Go ahead and paste that in. Then time to live, you can choose any time you want. Let's say 1 minute if you want it at the earliest. And then you go ahead and save it. Once you're done with all of that, you come here, you verify the domain. You do this for each of them. You verify the domain, and your DNS manager usually needs up to 48 hours to process these records. And once that is done, you will see a verified status just like this. And that is how to troubleshoot email connection in Freshsales.